LJF Conveyor Hub Ltd is one of the UK's most trusted manufacturers of conveyors and conveyor systems. We offer an extensive range of conveyor services for both unit and bulk handling applications. LJF Conveyor Hub Ltd has over 20 years of experience in manufacturing, supplying and servicing conveyors and conveyor systems across the United Kingdom. Whether you need non-powered or powered conveyors, we can design and manufacture them all. Our products are engineered to offer safe material handling and improve your on-site productivity. All of our conveyor systems are designed and built for your specific needs, so we can always create the right solution for you. All of our systems use the highest quality materials and components, and our aftercare service is second to none. So, whether you're looking for a powered conveyor, a gravity system, or a combination, as the specialists in conveyor systems, you're in safe hands when you choose LJF Conveyor Hub Ltd.